Are you looking for a licensed, insured, experienced, and reliable roofing contractor? It doesn't matter whether your needs are for home or business. If you have a large or small project, we will handle it all. Finding the right roofing contractor for your needs can be a challenge. We have years of experience and take outstanding care of your home or office, providing emergency, residential, and commercial roofing work with a quick response to your needs and free no-obligation estimates. We always do professional and affordable work with guaranteed quality. We get the job done right the first time with our qualified and experienced experts. We pride ourselves on customer service. Our expertise is your peace of mind for a job well done. Call us today for all your roofing needs.